Namaste to everyone. Welcome back our channel. Today I will explain from integers chapter solving some problems. First one is 10 plus minus 2. Already before I said minus into minus plus. This is multiplication. Use for multiplication. Minus into minus plus. Plus into plus plus. Plus into minus minus. Minus into plus minus. These symbols must be important for solving multiplication. Okay, now first one is 10 plus minus 2. 10 you can write it as this, then this is the bracket, so that means multiply. Plus into minus, what is the answer? Plus into minus, there is minus symbol. Plus into minus, minus. Now we have remove the bracket, then here plus symbol, here minus symbol. Both are different symbol. Different symbols are there. Subtract. Big number minus small number. 10 minus 2, 8. Next one is 225 plus in the bracket minus 145. 225 you can write the same. Then here also in this bracket, that means into plus into minus. What is the meaning? Plus into minus, minus. In both symbols one is minus, then the answer minus only. Plus into minus, minus. Here 145, write the 145. Then here plus symbol, here minus symbol. Both are different. So two symbols are different. Then subtract. 225 minus 145. There is answer 80. Next one is 6 minus in the bracket minus 10. 6 here minus into minus plus 6 plus 10. Plus 6 and plus 10. Plus 6 plus 10 both are same plus symbols. Both same symbols. Then add it. 10 plus 6, 16. Next one is minus 200. Here minus in the bracket minus 120. Minus 200, minus 200. Then these two are multiplied. Minus into minus plus 120. Then this is the minus symbol, this is the plus symbol. Different symbols are there. Then subtract. Big number minus small number. 200 minus 120, 80. There is big symbol. Sign is minus. In the answer, there is minus. Next one is minus 140 and minus in the bracket 30. Minus 140, write the same. Next minus, here plus. Minus into plus, minus 30. Here two numbers are having the same symbol. Both are minus symbols. Same symbols is there, then add it. 140 and 30. 170. There is same symbol. Both are same symbols. In the answer is minus. Then 15 into 0 into minus 18. 15 minus 15 into 0 minus 18. Minus 15 into 0, 0 into minus 18. 0 into minus 18, 0. In the question there is 1 0. Given the 0, there is not need solving. The 0 multiply with any number, answer will come 0. So not need solving. Next one is minus 12 into minus 11 into 10. Here 12 into 11. First these two brackets solving. 12 into 11. Minus into minus plus into 10. 12 into 11. There is multiply 132 into 10. 132 into 10. 1320 answer. Then next one is 100 into minus 6. 100, write the same. Then here minus 100 into 6. 106 are 600. Here plus is there, here minus is there. Plus into minus, minus. Okay, minus 600. This is the must important. These symbols are very very important. Mind it, remember it. Then okay, understood. Thank you very much.